I take some.
It is John Eric playing with Mike, and Mike can't hit the ball. Uh-oh. Look at his face! It's so evil!
I'm coming.
Look at the evil! Look at the evil of the orange! Orange is evil. Ew, look at his teeth.
Yeah.
Look at him! Where are you? There he is! Orange. Ah! Ow! Bug! Ah, bug! Back again with the evil John Eric's butt. Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Uh-oh. It's coming at me!
Here, Bradley, have a sweeper.
Where's the ball?
How about John Eric's gonna wait? You gonna wait?
I'm letting Mike go.
All right.
And then us two will go next. Then you better get off. Wait, Bradley. Here, you can go on. Okay. You guys, we're gonna do like a bunch. So don't do like one. Okay. You want to step? I do. That's what I rope on the side. Hey, guess what, Mike? You actually know a lot of people. Right, that's all.
Everybody hold on to everybody else.
And you won't fall off, it's only if you let go. Yeah. Right.
That's it. Got
Don't be scared. Bye, guys. Bye. See ya. Not scary. Awesome.
Hope it just doesn't hurt. The skipper too.